Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video on how to reply your Instagram comments with a reel. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Instagram application. After you do this, you can see your profile on the right corner. Tap on that. And here you can see the post that you have uploaded. Select a post and you can see some comments here. Tap on that. Now here are the comments on your post. So we will be replying to Legophone 505. So tap on reply. After the comment has been selected, you will see this camera type icon on the left side. Tap on that. Now here we are, ready to reply with a reel. So take a short reel as you prefer, how you want it to be, and you can see this next button here. Tap on that. After that again you can see the next button. Tap again. And now here you can see the share button. Tap on that and you can see that our reel is being shared. Go to your home page and yeah, we are just finishing up. Wait until it's finished. Now here we are. As you can see that we have already replied to a comment with a reel. So this was it for today guys. If you find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.